Hi guys. Yep. And then today's unboxing is about Draciel G. Yep. From G Revolution Beyblade. Yeah, as you can see. Here's Max right there. And it uses engine gear. So real nice. Yep. So yeah, let's open this guy. Is it open? Okay. Oops. Yep. That's it. Here's the stickers. Draciel is right there. And then bonus sticker. Oh, Kid Dragon. Nice. And the manual. And here's the parts. Engine gear. Right spin engine gear. Oh, okay. This one. The weight disc. The blade base, tech ring, all of them. So yeah, let's open it. Yep. So here's the manual. So yeah, let's open the blade base first. Yep. This is the tech ring. Yep. Blade base. Yep. And yeah, it's kind of weird because Draciel G got this kind of weight disc because it's supposed to be like the smaller one, because the smaller one is I think it should be the smaller one, but yeah, they give this one. Yeah, it's same like the Dragon's weight disc. So yeah, okay, that's alright. And then big chip, and then for the engine gear. Oops. Yeah. 2. I got it. So yeah, let's put all of them together first before putting the sticker. Draciel Draciel G, Draciel Graffiti, I think. Yeah, it's the name. Yep. So yeah, I'm gonna put all of the stickers. Oops. Yeah, that's it. Yep. As you can see, it's an engine gear. Where's the winder? Yep. Let's try. Winder! Again, one more time. Yep. There's a click sound right there, and then yep. That's it, spin gear. So yeah, I'm gonna put off the stickers first and then go back to you guys. So yeah, I've put all of the stickers. Yeah, this one is the tech ring stickers. Looks really nice. Yep. Blade base. Real nice. And the winder. The Draciel itself. So yeah, let's put all of them together. Yeah, this one is also engine gear. Yeah, let's put them together. So here it is, Draciel Graffiti or Draciel G. Real nice Beyblade. Engine gear. Beyblade. So yeah. So yeah, that's for today. Draciel G. And stay tuned for other unboxing videos. So yeah, see you guys later. Boxes of 933 out.